In sunny Fort Lauderdale, where coastal breezes meet year-round warmth, homeowners are making a smart shift toward energy-efficient windows. This growing trend isn't just about style, it's about comfort, savings, and sustainability. Energy-efficient windows are transforming homes across South Florida by reducing energy costs, improving indoor comfort, and enhancing property value. Here's why more Fort Lauderdale residents are embracing this upgrade. Lower energy bills. In a hot climate with Florida's tropical climate, air conditioners often work overtime. Traditional windows allow heat to penetrate easily, forcing HVAC systems to run longer and harder. Energy-efficient windows, on the other hand, are designed with advanced glazing and insulated frames that minimize heat transfer. Features like low emissivity coatings reflect infrared light, keeping indoor temperatures cooler without blocking natural light. Argon or krypton gas fills between panes provide extra insulation, maintaining consistent temperatures inside. As a result, homeowners experience significant reductions in their monthly utility bills, a major selling point in a city where cooling costs can soar during summer months. Increased comfort and reduced glare. Comfort is a big reason Fort Lauderdale homeowners are investing in energy-efficient windows. By minimizing heat gain and loss, these windows keep indoor spaces comfortable year-round, cooler in summer, warmer in the rare cool months. Moreover, energy-efficient glass reduces glare from the sun's intense rays, allowing residents to enjoy their ocean or garden views without the need for heavy blinds or curtains. This helps create bright, airy interiors while protecting furniture and flooring from fading caused by ultraviolet (UV) exposure. Environmental benefits. For a greener future. Sustainability is top of mind for many Fort Lauderdale residents, especially those living near the coast who understand the impact of climate change. Energy-efficient windows contribute directly to a reduced carbon footprint by lowering household energy consumption. When homes use less energy for heating and cooling, power plants burn fewer fossil fuels. Over time, this results in fewer greenhouse gas emissions. For eco-conscious homeowners, upgrading to energy-efficient windows aligns with Fort Lauderdale's broader commitment to green building and sustainable living practices. Enhanced home value and curb appeal. Today's homebuyers are looking for properties that blend style, comfort, and energy performance. Energy-efficient windows not only meet these expectations but often exceed them. Installing modern, well-insulated windows can increase property value and make a home stand out in Fort Lauderdale's competitive real estate market. Additionally, the wide range of available styles, from sleek casement and picture windows to elegant double-hung designs, allows homeowners to enhance their home's architectural charm. Improved aesthetics paired with functional benefits make energy-efficient windows a smart investment for long-term resale value. Protection against coastal conditions. Fort Lauderdale's location along the Atlantic coast means homes are regularly exposed to humidity, salt air, and occasional storms. Energy-efficient windows, especially those rated for impact resistance, offer superior protection compared to older single-pane models. Many feature multi-layered glass and reinforced frames, designed to withstand high winds and debris during severe weather. This not only improves safety but also enhances noise reduction, a welcome bonus for homeowners near busy roads or beachfront areas. Government incentives and rebates. Another motivation driving Fort Lauderdale homeowners toward energy-efficient windows is the availability of tax credits and utility rebates. Federal and state programs often reward homeowners who upgrade to energy-efficient building materials. These incentives help offset installation costs, making the decision even more cost-effective in the long run. A smart choice for comfort, savings, and sustainability. In a city known for sunshine, ocean views, and coastal living, energy-efficient windows are proving to be a practical and stylish upgrade. Fort Lauderdale homeowners are choosing them not just for the immediate comfort and savings, but also for the long-term benefits, a cooler home, lower energy bills, and a greener future. By investing in energy-efficient windows, Fort Lauderdale residents are embracing modern technology that enhances their home's value, protects the environment, and provides comfort that lasts year after year.